It's amazing what mankind can do when they band together.
In the heart of the Pigeon Lake community, revved engines signal more than just a ride. They echo the promise of brighter futures. On February 24th, riders will gather at Pigeon Lake for the 6th annual West of the 5th Poker Run. The exciting event will raise funds for 4 schools surrounding Pigeon Lake, those being Lakedell, Fallon Elementary, Pipestone, and Pigeon Lake Regional. Organizer Corey Kozak hopes that cards will turn to cash for the 4 schools that he views as cultural cornerstones for the rural area.
And nothing against the businesses or anything out here, but the businesses weren't first that built this community. It was our school and it was our community hall. You know, and like we talked about inside there, it's pretty amazing to hear, you know, some of these students are 3rd and 4th generation at this school. You know, a lot of these kids form lasting generational friendships. And we've had a lot of good kids come to this school and gone on to great things.
Last year, the West of the 5th Poker Run raised over $100,000, a new milestone for the event. The money was used to install new playground equipment, take students on field trips, and bring in new presenters. According to Lakedell School Principal Stacy Fievland, the funds help students become more well-rounded by showing them a perspective outside of their communities.
So there's just ideas and different ways of presenting information that, you know, allows a different slant on maybe the way we present things, or it offers the opportunity for a greater world view of, you know, getting outside of our community and what that looks like outside our community as well.
Just like Corey, Stacy believes that supporting her school also helps support the whole community.
We not only have our students on the playground benefiting from them each day, but it also is a wonderful support for our whole community. Just because when summertime hits or after school, we often see people from the lake or from neighboring communities, and they'll come and use our playground as well. So it's a really good way to support everybody.
In the end, Corey hopes that this event won't just raise money, but also inspire others for generations to come.
A man that plants a tree will never know the shade that that tree gives, okay? There's a lot of things we can do in this world, but there's very few things we can do in this world that'll stand out. And I think this is a great life lesson for my daughter, that, you know, if you are blessed in this life, one way or another, with great health, great family, wealth, whatever the case may be, that only defines you so much. But you know, this is hopefully a legacy that we can leave behind for generations to come. You know, take care of each other.
The West of the 5th revs up with a Friday night social on February 23rd before the main event starts the next morning. UTV Canada will be the first stop, along with our new riding buddies at Mountain Sports Distribution. To help Pigeon Lake students get more out of their schooling, have a good time for yourself, and maybe even win some prizes, you can visit the West of the 5th Facebook page or read our blog at utvcanada.com under the lifestyle section.